You know what's scary? My super pambahay looks when I go out for errands during this quarantine period. There was a time I went out in my husband's boxers and they were bacony. Hey guys, you're here again with me, baby, and we are back with another YouTube video. Did you miss me? Because I missed you, and I did miss this camera that makes me look really HD. Today I will be purchasing some vitamins and I decided to take you guys with me. Alam naman natin that it has been approximately 57 years since the pandemic started, so hindi may iwasan na sometimes we have to go out for our essential needs like food, takeout food, we have our medicine, we have our groceries. So let's get to it. What do I do when I go out? Step 1, I take my vitamins. Alam niyo naman, we need that extra boost, that extra immunity, that extra energy. So we're not just protecting ourselves on the outside, which we will be doing, of course. It is also very important to protect ourselves on the inside as well.
Collagen and vitamin C has been my absolute favorite recently. A chewable tablet. It has 300 milligrams of collagen supply per day, and it's got this passion fruit flavor.
I already opened this. I've been taking it for quite a while. It's got this very light, almost white pink color. It's very smooth. Oh. I love this so much. It tastes like a sour candy. It has a very fruity burst of flavor. It's like a mix of a lot of fruits. Like parang pag juice 4 seasons yung taste, ganon. Just a hint of acid and it's so great. So we already know that vitamin C is amazing for your immunity, but the extra collagen makes it excellent. Excellent! Get it? Collagen kasi, it helps with your skin elasticity, so it helps reduce wrinkles, keeps your skin nice and firm and bouncy, and it keeps it young. I'm not saying na matanda ako, pero baka ganun na.
Another supplement that I've been taking is this iron and folic acid. It's also a chewable tablet with 7 milligrams of iron supply per day and a wild persimmon flavor.
I am one of those people who do need their supply of iron because I did grow up anemic. Ganyan yung view ko pag nahihilo ko. Blurry. So sanay ako na lagi akong may iron supplements, and this is a really good one because ang sarap niya. So, saktong-sakto para sa mga taong low on energy at laging short on breath. Of course, meron din po siyang folic acid. So, this is perfect for women, especially if you plan to have a baby. Overall, this is a great one for your immunity, but also for your energy levels as well. We're now going to do a taste test, of course. So, this tablet is also very smooth, but a little bit on the chalkier side. It's also got like light red dots for the persimmon flavor, I guess. Shut up. I'm super bad at describing taste, but it's like a very light, sweet, champoy taste. Does that make sense? I'm not really sure, but it's kind of a plummy taste. Plum. There you go. That's the word. It's really good. Step 2, I do my skincare. So we all know that we have to wear masks, and I noticed something. My mask knee got a lot less horrible as long as I do my skincare properly and I moisturize. So I really made it a point to wash my face, tone, serum, moisturize before leaving the house. Step 3, I put my insect repellent. I not only have to protect my face skin, but I also have to protect my arms and my legs because lagi ako pinakagat ng lamok para protected tayo. Pati na rin dyan. Step 4, wear lightweight clothing na madaling labahan. This thing dries up really fast. I'm also wearing a bralette for fashion. I do like wearing shorts with pockets because I like to put my things inside. Which leads us to step number 5. Pack up your alcohol, your face mask, and your face shield. I also like to put in my umbrella, my wallet, a scarf maybe because I'm super tita that way. Step 6, wear your face mask and your face shield. Oof, careful with the earring. So what I appreciated about my visit to Watson's is that they did implement their safety protocols. They had the alcohol and the temperature check, which of course is important for the mall. But we also have arrows on the floor telling you where you're supposed to go. Do not be pasaway. We also have cosmetic testers that enable you to test these products without actually touching them or, you know, putting them on your face or your hands. Diba? Ang talino lang! And then once I get home, there are some steps as well. Sit tight because this is quite a list. Change shoes. Outside shoes. Don't go inside the house. Never. Next, I don't touch anything until I get to wash my hands with soap and water.
Make sure to get all the fingers. And ano ulit to? Wrists.
Kamay.
Once my hands are clean, I sanitize everything I've got. Boing! And then I remove my clothes because these are dirty as well. I put them inside of plastic or straight to the washing machine if we are doing laundry that night. Next up, I shower. Wash off all those germs, and then when I get out from the shower, only then can I relax and start touching things like a normal human being. Anyway, now that we're home, it's time to share with you my haul from Watson's. Let's start with the small packets. This one is our collagen pack. I already talked about collagen a while ago, but this has 3 times the amount of collagen. So just in case you really want to boost this protein in your system, I got this for the sake of skin softness. Next, we've got lutein and bilberry. These are from vegetables and they're really great for your eye health. I love it. And it also has anti-inflammatory properties, and bilberry is also a great extract used to treat your eyes, and you know, it deals with the circulation of your capillaries, so it's really good for that purpose. I mean, I'm not a doctor, but overall, eye health. And this one is our Garcinia Cambogia. Is that how you pronounce it? And Gymnema sylvestre. Garcinia Cambogia plus Gymnema sylvestre tablet. I hope I pronounced all of that correctly. Now this is for weight loss. So Garcinia Cambogia is known for helping trim your belly fat. Now the Gymnema sylvestre part helps you deal with your sugar. It lowers your blood sugar and also helps with your sugar craving. So overall, this supplement is great for weight loss in general. This over here is the crowd favorite, the daily collagen from Nutrabliss. So a lot of people use this and I've been hearing some really good things about it. Again, this helps keep your skin glowing because of the collagen factors, and they come in sachets. So we open this up. At the back, we have our instructions over there. You get 28 sachets. Sorry, I messed it up. This is what the sachet looks like. Just tear it up here and mix it with water. And our next box, this is the This is the hyaluronic acid plus collagen. So collagen once again is there. But what about the hyaluronic acid? So I'm sure if you guys do your skincare, you've heard about this ingredient. So yes, that is right. This will help keep your skin moisturized. If you look closely, it says that it comes with jellyfish extract with a whopping 2,500 milligram per serving, and also rooster comb extract na 40 milligrams. So they come in these 50 ml bottles, which I'm gonna open. I'm not really sure if this is, yes it is. So this is your Nutrabliss bottle. It's so cute. Even the cap is blue. Teal, I don't really know. You know, the video is not giving it justice, but it looks amazing. So you just shake it and then drink. Last but not the least, we have our mixed berries with vitamin C. Of course, I could not resist this one because it's got vitamin C in a bottle. And if you guys are a fan of berries because of fiber, antioxidants, and all that jazz, then this is for you. So the 7 berries, just in case you want to know, we have strawberry, roseberry, cherry, cranberry, blackcurrant, gooseberry, and berry flavor. I personally cannot wait to try all of these products and enjoying the vitamins that I'm taking right now. I do feel very energized and excited to take them. And also, they are so yummy, so I have high expectations for the other Nutrabliss products as well. I'm sure masarap din sila. But unfortunately, that's all the time we have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about these Nutrabliss products in the comment section down below. I would also love to hear from you. Which is your favorite? Peace and love. Bye.